Hey everyone, let's talk about how to start content writing. First one, understand your audience. Before you write, understand who you're writing for, their needs and pain points. Second one, research thoroughly. Gather credible information about the topic you're gonna write. Like, you can read blog posts, watch video, and use tools like Google Trends to ensure your content is relevant. Third step, create an outline. Structure your article or post with clear introduction and main body with multiple headers and a conclusion. It makes it easier to write and keep you focused. Fourth step is write clearly. Try to avoid unnecessary fluff. The goal is to communicate your ideas in a way that is easy to understand. Fifth step is use SEO practices. It is all about focusing on keywords, meta description, internal and external links to improve your search engine visibility. Last important one is edit and proofread. Before publishing, make sure you review your account for grammatical errors, readability, and the flow. Tools like Rahmahtul can be a big help here. Hope you got a clear idea. We'll meet you on next video about tips for pro level content writing.